Welcome, welcome all. It's wonderful turnout to the installation ceremony of our YUCO elected officer. 3 years ago, I was elected as your YUCO president. We have survived quite a few waves. Survived a recall, middle of a lawsuit, but today we are installing 2 vice presidents, 10 executive board members. I remind them all that they are called to YUCO office, and to remember their oath today confers no power, only responsibility. This responsibility is to our unit owners, to whom we must bring our energy, our intellect, and our honest fiduciary endeavor to improve the lives of all. I call upon all of you to consider the example set by those taking the oath today. Step up and volunteer your time and skills in service of your community. Such service benefits us all and saves millions of dollars for the entire community. Thanks to my admin, Patricia Sealander, for orchestrating this event. She has been working like a dog. And to our public officials who took time out of their busy days to help make this a great affair. We look forward to many, many years of this event, and of course to a delicious repast. We have with us the Honorable Judge Ron Alvarez, who will deinstall and install. You want them up here?
Yes, I'd like them all up here.
All right.
All the officers.
Let's have our newly elected people up here, please. 2 VPs and executive boards.
All right. Please raise your right hand. And using your name, repeat after me. I affirm that I will discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of the office to which I have been elected. You may lower your hand. Reposing confidence in the selection your fellow members have made, I hereby declare you duly installed as Vice Presidents and Executive Board members of the United Civic Organization. Good luck as you move forward to meet the challenges of this year, which it surely will bring. Good luck to you.
God have mercy.